would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie Hannah. Sorry for the pounding music in the background. I'm actually in Palm Springs right now and I'm going to Coachella. Super excited. I'm staying at the Saguaro Hotel, which is that super colourful one. So do check out my Instagram posts. I'll pop a link below to my Instagram if you don't follow me already. I thought I would film a Coachella get ready with me because I know you guys love my festival makeup. And yeah, I've got my festival hair pretty much ready. I'm going to jazz it up a little bit more, I think. But this was done by Red Ken, so thank you very much for that. And yeah, I'm going to get straight into this tutorial. Super exciting. I'm actually using my new festival collection jewels from my collection called Dreamland. And it is this one called Ophelia. It's this amazing like bluey kind of sparkly one with shooting stars under the eyes. I absolutely love this design and I'm going to incorporate this into my makeup today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get glittered up for Coachella.
I will call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. What is up with this? Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique? Don't try to change it now. Saying you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me times 2, why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't How would you like it if I came over with my clique? Don't try to change it now. See you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me times two, why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
So this is the finished look, guys. What do you all think? I am literally loving it. I'm so pleased with my jewels. Like, I'm literally loving the design. I love the way that I have styled them on my face, including the face paint and the NYX glitter. Also, what do you guys think of my hair tattoos as well? I added these on as a little bit of an extra, and I think it really just finishes the hairstyle off. I'm so excited to go to Coachella. I've also got a Coachella vlog up, so do check that out. I'll pop a link below, and I'm also gonna add on a little snippet of my outfit at the end of this video. Everything you can shop via the links below. Don't forget to subscribe here. Thanks so much for watching this video. I've got some more Get Ready With Me at Coachella's coming soon. And yeah, I just really hope you enjoyed seeing the full outfit in a little snippet. So that's all from me. Peace out.
I will call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me, if I'm the girl that you claim.